If you're torn between Asana versus Pipefy for process management, you're in the right place. Both of these tools are popular choices, but they serve different needs depending on your business goals. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the strengths and limitations of each platform, and I'll share my recommended alternative that could be a better fit for your needs. First up, let's talk about Asana. Asana is known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility in managing tasks and projects. It's perfect for teams that need to stay on top of multiple projects simultaneously, thanks to its robust task management features. You can easily assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress using their list view, Kanban board, or calendar. However, while it offers a wide array of integrations with other tools like Slack and Google Drive, its process automation features are somewhat limited. It's great for basic task tracking, but if you're looking for deeper process management, Asana might not have everything you need out of the box. Next thing to consider is Pipefy. Pipefy specializes in streamlining processes with its unique approach to workflow automation. It offers a more specialized, process-driven model that's ideal for businesses that need more than just task management. The standout feature here is the ability to build custom workflows with templates and a visual pipeline, which makes it easier to automate and manage recurring tasks. But despite these great features, Pipefy has its own downsides. For one, the learning curve can be steeper compared to Asana, especially for teams that are not used to workflow automation. And while the platform is designed to scale well for complex processes, some users find it limiting when it comes to more advanced project management needs. The third thing to keep in mind is the integrations and flexibility offered by both. Asana's integration ecosystem is vast, with tools for everything from communication to file storage, making it a versatile choice for teams already entrenched in other software ecosystems. Pipefy, on the other hand, is focused more on the process itself, and while it offers some integrations, it doesn't have the same breadth as Asana. This could be a deal breaker for companies looking to streamline everything in one place. Now, let's look at automation. Both Asana and Pipefy offer automation features, but there's a clear difference in their depth. Asana's automation capabilities are more geared towards simplifying task management, like auto-assigning tasks or notifying team members of updates. It's handy, but it's not the heavy-duty process automation you might expect. Pipefy, however, takes the lead here, offering more advanced automation tools, especially in terms of workflow management. If you're looking for a tool that can help you manage repeatable processes with minimal manual intervention, Pipefy is the way to go. But again, it might not be the best choice if your needs are more focused on project timelines and task dependencies. The fifth thing to consider is the overall user experience. Asana's intuitive design and smooth learning curve make it easy for teams to hit the ground running. It's perfect for teams that don't have the time for a steep learning curve. Pipefy, while incredibly powerful for process automation, requires more upfront work to get it set up properly. This means if you're looking for something that's quick to implement and easy to use, Asana might have the edge here. So, what does this mean for you? Well, both Asana and Pipefy have their strengths. Asana excels in task management and ease of use, making it a great choice for teams that need to track projects with minimal effort. Pipefy, on the other hand, is a powerhouse when it comes to automating processes, which is ideal if your goal is to optimize workflow efficiency. But here's the catch: after trying both tools myself, I found a platform that's even better for process management. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, task management and robust process automation, you might want to check out the alternative I recommend. It's a platform that provides all the flexibility and scalability you need, without the complexity or limitations of Asana or Pipefy. So, if you want to try it out for yourself, click the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. I've tested it myself and can confidently say that it's worth considering if you're serious about optimizing your process management.